Dear students, in this video we will read the 7th class English book Honeycomb, poem number 7, Mystery of the Talking Fan. This is very small and beautiful poem written by Maud Rubin. So let's get started with the poem Mystery of the Talking Fan. You must have heard the talking fan. Yes, when motor of any fan needs oil, it start making some irritating noise. And poet is also talking about that sound. That's why he is saying the talking fan. And what is the mystery? We will find out by reading the poem. Once there was a talking fan, electrical his chatter. The poet says that once there was a talking fan and electrical his chatter. Chatter means whatever the fan says. And the talking fan means the fan was creating some kind of noises. And as we all know that the fan functions on an electrical motor and noise was being produced by that motor. So the sound created by fan is called electrical chatter, or you can say electrical sound. I couldn't quite hear what he said, and I hope it doesn't matter because one day somebody oiled his little whirling motor and all the mystery was spoiled. He ran as still as water. Now, poet says that he was unable to understand what the fan was saying. So that's why poet is calling mystery of the talking fan, because he was unable to understand what the fan was saying. And I hope it doesn't matter. And the poet says that I hope that it doesn't matter. If I don't understand, मतलब उसे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Because someday somebody oiled his little whirling motor. And one day somebody oiled the motor. Oiled means to apply oil to the parts of motor. And when somebody oiled the motor, then all the mystery was spoiled. Mystery means the fan want to say something, but the poet was not able to understand. That's why he is calling it a mystery. And mystery was spoiled because now the fan was still. The fan fell silent. It was no longer creating any kind of noise. Because the moment it was oiled, it started functioning in a smooth manner that no noise could be heard anymore. That's it. This was this very small poem. And after reading it, we just came to know that maybe the talking fan seems to be demanding oil because the moment it was oiled, it fell silent. So that's why he was demanding for oil only. So this was the mystery of the talking fan. I hope you get it. Now we will read the same poem in Hindi also. Poet कहते हैं कि यहाँ पर एक टॉकिंग फैन था जिसकी चार्टर मतलब उसकी कन्वर्सेशन जो वो बोलता था वो इलेक्ट्रिकल थी, क्योंकि फ़ैन की मोटर जो होती है वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी से चलती है, तो उसकी चार्टर भी इलेक्ट्रिकल थी. एंड पोइट जो था वो मतलब फ़ैन क्या कह रहा था उसको समझने में वो लाइक अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड था, मतलब उसको समझ नहीं आ रहा था कि फ़ैन क्या कह रहा है एक्चुअल में, और उसको फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता था क्योंकि एक दिन किसी ने फ़ैन को ऑयल दे दिया, उसकी मोटर के मतलब पार्ट्स को ऑयल अप्लाई कर दिया और जो मिस्ट्री थी वो सारी ख़राब हो गई क्योंकि फ़ैन अब बहुत ही स्मूथ चलने लग गया था. लाइक देयर वाज नो मोर टॉकिंग बाय द फ़ैन. सो पोइट कहते हैं कि उसकी सारी मिस्ट्री स्पॉयल हो गई थी, ख़राब हो गई थी, क्योंकि अब फ़ैन ने बिल्कुल साइलेंटली मतलब उसने अब साइलेंटली चल रहा था वो. सो दैट्स इट. आई होप यू गेट इट.